Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Thompson. I'm System Director of Interventional Cardiology for Hartford Healthcare's Heart and Vascular Institute. I specialize in interventional cardiology. This is an area of cardiovascular medicine that's meant to address areas of cardiovascular disease but use less invasive methods instead of surgery, using smaller tools so that a patient can heal faster. We use catheters specifically, so these are small tubes less than a third the size of a pencil that we can place in small arteries such as the wrist or the groin artery or small arteries in the neck, or we can open blockages in heart arteries or leg arteries and use lasers or drills or these small stents to prop open blockages in arteries. Typically, a patient that's seeing me will have chest discomfort or shortness of breath or excessive fatigue on the basis of having a blockage in the heart arteries or some abnormality of a heart valve. My dad became ill when I was 19 years old, and I was in business in college as a major. And he had to have open heart surgery. And seeing him go through that experience and have the physicians and nurses and surgeons take care of him was really motivating to me. And I immediately course corrected what I was going to do career-wise, and wanted to be a doctor, and frankly wanted to be a cardiovascular surgeon. Every time that a patient comes to one of our clinics or comes to a hospital, I think about them as a family member. Sometimes being a doctor is really being a good detective, and you can't really presuppose what's going on with a patient if you're not really listening to where they're coming from, what they're trying to tell you. I think what's important for a patient or provider to understand about me is that I'll be thorough, that I will listen, that they'll get my best effort, and that my goal is to treat the patient like they're a family member of mine and to put them on a path to wellness. Outside of medicine, I love watching my daughter play tennis and spending time with she and my girlfriend, and love watching sports.